Well, hello, I'm Arabella, and this is Arabella's Heart for Book Art, and I'm really happy to see you in my channel. I have a passion for jelly printing, gel plate printing, but it has been a while, and I don't know really why. I just was occupied with other sorts of doing art, with recycling art, and I still am doing that. And also used cardboard, but also used a lot of fabric. And I think because it's spring and the sun is shining, I just want to use some colors, use my paints, and use my gel plate. And I started to use my large 12 by 12, but that video I'm doing later on. This video is with my 6 by 6 inch plate, gel press plate. How do you go? I still don't know how you go. But actually, I love mono printing. I love printing onto my plastic sheet that I have on my table. And I love using my gel plates, and I also have a lot of homemade ones, but now for this session I chose to use my store-bought plate gel printing plate. I'm just stumbling over my words. Yeah, I just want to say hi and welcome you to this video, and I'm really happy that you're here, and yeah, please enjoy my video. I'll see you later. Bye. Doei. 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 Cool. Now let it dry. I did put together a book, so I'm not done with it, but I like this so far. I think this will be the front, and I also painted the edges with watercolor based paints, so it's really grungy. This are just cut off pieces that I had from printing on my printer, and I needed to make some 8.5 by 11 pieces. This one's already folded, so I want to do something different. This will be one booklet, and I have another one. I want to do some sewing onto this, and then also use black. So here I also want to do that mixed media stuff on it. And this is what I got so far. So the next step is get some painty pieces on different paint on different sorts of paper, and then sew that onto this really messily, and also a few of that mixed media, and that's tissue paper that is painted, or pull-off pieces, what I just did, and then stuck them. So this is also not only done on a jelly print, I also painted this onto the table itself. And that's 3 different ways to make grungy paper. So this is done on the gel print, and the newer pieces that I just showed, the black and white, are done on the table, just on the plastic. And I used just about every color that I have, also mixed red and yellow, mix a little bit of orange and some metallic paints. Yeah, I really love this one. So let me see if I can. What I'm doing, working on, I stuck 3 of them together in a weird way, like this. Those cut-off pieces, the small ones, and this will be also a fold over for the cover, I think, for this. But I think it's a little bit large, but so for this booklet, let me see if I can show you. It will be something like this, and then I will do something with this perhaps, or sew onto it, or leave it like this. So this will be a little bit like this. These are also all on the gel print plates, I mean. Only the black and white, and with a little bit of purple I did on the table. So used yellow, greens, blue. And some are a little bit dull, but I can do mixed media. Or here's, this is also from the table. This is from last night, these ones. I enhanced them a little bit. Also on my plastic sheet on the table. And these are from the gel plate. And because I used this, I also want to show you, because I used also watercolor paper together with acrylic, then it will give a really cool effect as well. So, and please let me know what you think about this. So the next one will be sewing and some more. Yeah, I want to be this the cover, but this is a little bit sticking out too much, I think. Oh, I can scoot it over. Let me see. So I have 2 different booklets. So this is a little bit better. And this is something new. Perhaps I'm making sewing something else behind it to give it some more stability, because I could also use one of these to sew it onto. So I think the next video will be sewing and then putting the books together. So I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'm really enjoying this, because it has been a while that I jelly printed. I kept using my old ones, and I just wanted to have new art. so I'm really enjoying this. This is really my thing. But I also have two different tastes. I have my gel print taste with lots of colors, and my mixed media. But I also love vintage stuff. So sometimes, once upon a time, you will see a book that is really more vintage. I'm letting it all come out in the way, organically, the way that I feel is that what I'm feeling at the moment. So I think from these strips that you just saw me working on, I think I will, they're still wet, so you can see them here. I think I will also make a cover like this, so perhaps I'm doing the mixed media on top of this, but I do like this matte black, white and the purple. I do like that effect, so I don't know yet. This also will be a cool front cover, by the way, this side. I don't know yet how I'm doing this, but you will see it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. See you then. Bye. Doei. Doei. I'm going to drink my coffee now. Doei.